professionals, we have salesmen, we have engineers, we have researchers who are working day and night to give you the best, to give you the best. So please don't forget, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave your contact with us, because we have a professional sales team that's going to contact you and get to you to know whatever you want. So thank you very much for watching, and we will promise that we're going to make you have fun.
Yeah, thanks, Mr. introduction. Okay, I'm going to let's begin. I'm going to introduce our ultrasonic cutting machine first.
So guys, you know what? Most of you at home always cut something. You always cut something. Those of you at the workplace, you always cut something. But sometimes you have a lot of difficulty cutting. So we at Altrasonic Technology, we want to make life easy for you. We want to make life easy for you. So that's why Aaron is going to introduce you to this machine. So let's listen to Aaron.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So to solve the difficulty cutting problems, now you have, I recommend you to consider ultrasonic cutter. It's perfect for newbies to professionals who are looking for heavy-duty machine. The cutter here is the ultrasonic cutter. Also some people will say it's a blade or knife, yeah, something like that. The ultrasonic cutter do not empty smoke, nose, and cause air contaminations. So it's a friendly and environment processing method.
So hey guys, excuse me, please, don't be mad at me, because I am also a newbie like you, you know? I am also a newbie like you, so I also want to learn about how to use this machine, you know? And it's becoming more and more interesting, so I'm trying to have fun, okay? So he said this machine does not emit any noise or does not contaminate or cause any air pollution. So this machine is environmental friendly. Wow, I like that. I really like that. So how about you? What do you think about it? Okay? So just listen to Aaron. Aaron is going to make us understand more about this machine, okay? So he says, here is the blade, okay? Here is the blade, and this blade is not so sharp. So I'm asking the question, is it gonna cut? Is it gonna cut? So Aaron is going to prove that to us, okay? Aaron is going to prove that to us. And by the way, Aaron, what kind of material can this machine cut?
Yeah, the ultrasonic cutters normally can cut difficulty cutter materials. Using is very difficult to cut. Something like mostly is the thermoplastic, like a PP.
Oh,
if you cut it with normal knife, it's very hard to cut. Yeah. Yeah.
I would like to see.
Yes.
So what's next?
And the leather.
Oh, leather.
Leather.
Hey guys, can you see this? So this is leather, and he says this machine can cut it. I want to know more. So what else can it cut?
Yeah, and lots of something like paper.
Yeah, paper.
Plastic. Here we see a foam.
Oh, a foam. Yeah, a foam. So it can cut a foam.
And also, the two cutter machine is very hard to cut. In previous technology, it spent a lot of years to solve this problem. Now we can use the magic knife to cut it.
Wow. Yeah. Hey guys, so Aaron says that a lot of people have been going through difficulties cutting very complicated materials like this. Everyone look at this. So this is a honeycomb, okay? This is a honeycomb material. It's very, very difficult to cut, you know? It's very difficult to cut. And Aaron is telling us that this cutter can do it, you know? So I want to see just like you guys, and this is like silica, you know, it's like silica, and it has very, very high density. Everyone look at it. It has very, very high density. He says he can cut it. Just watch.
Yeah. I display why the ultrasonic cutter, we call it a metric knife. The knife, here's the knife, operates as a manual knife. Something you see is just like a normal knife. With classical operation principles. Yeah, the blade, here is blade. The energy from generator, and here to transducer, and last event to the blade. The blade will create a massive for energy, ultrasonic energy. Here will soften and metals and materials immediately, because here is vibration. Lots of vibration we cannot see it by the air, but we can feel it. Here will be vibration and soften and metals and materials. So the materials it can be cut. Yeah.
Wow. Hey guys, don't be scared, okay? Don't be scared. So from what I understand, Aaron is like trying to tell us that, you know, there is energy that comes from the generator, okay? The power generator. And then this energy gets into this. There is what we call a transducer. So this transducer is going to convert this electric energy into vibration, okay? It's gonna convert this electric energy into high frequency vibration. So with this vibration, the knife is going to vibrate at high frequency and it's going to produce heat. Don't forget, it's going to produce heat. So it's the heat that melts and cuts the material. Okay, so now I understand. Okay, so it's the heat produced from this that's gonna cut and melt the materials. But this blade is not sharp, so I want to see more. I want to know more, because we've got a normal, you know, this is a normal knife. It's, look, almost the same, right? So why is this better than this? So I want to know more, okay? Just like you, I'm a newbie and I want to know more. So please, stay put and follow Aaron. So Aaron?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, and as you can see, the ultrasonic cutter is small in size and do not require large installation areas. Special equipment is also not allowed. It's small in size to be handled for many operations. No matter for newbies or professionals, it's very easy to be held and to be work and when you operate.
Right. Hey guys, wow. So you see, so it is handheld, okay? It's handheld, just like the normal knife. It's handheld, okay? And he says it's very, very easy to use. That is our goal at Altrasonic. We want to make life easy for you. So that's why we give you machines that are very easy, you know, that are very easy and comfortable for you to use. They are user friendly, you know, they are user friendly. So please, I'm so excited. It's becoming more and more interesting. Okay, over to you, Aaron.
Yeah.
So,
so today we are going to give you a demonstrations. Yeah, we will give you a demonstration for the following. Just to recut.
Wow. Hey guys, everyone look here.
Yeah.
So we've got lots of materials here, and Aaron is saying we are going to give you a demonstration of how these materials are going to be cut.
Yeah. Yeah, before we cut, we can start run the device. And first we can give a generation or description to you for the device.
Oh, sure. I forgot to ask this question, okay? Yeah, guys, we want to cut something, right? But we need to know the machines, okay? We need to know the machines that are being used to cut this material. So Aaron wants to describe these machines for us. So, Aaron?
Yeah. Here is the back of the device. This cable is connect generator to the introduce the generator will send the signal. No signal. Sorry. Will give the energy to the blade. And here is cable to the switch panel. When we switch panel, I'll show you the switch panel. This is the full switch panel. When we touch the full switch panel, it will give the signal to the generator, and the generator will send the energy to the blade.
Oh, I see. So this foot switch pedal is like an external controller. Okay, hey guys. So and I understand. So this foot switch pedal is like an external controller, because you know when we are cutting, we are using our hands, right? We are using our hands. So in order for us to use this external controller, we just need to put it on the foot, right? So we just need to put it under the foot and then we use it. So that's why it's called a foot switch pedal, okay? So it's an external controller. So it's very, very useful. Wow.
Yes.
Thank you. So what's next? What's next? I want to know more, Aaron.
Yeah, and we see the front of the equipment.
Oh, now we have to see the front of this generator.
Yeah, how to start it run. First we will turn the power on.
So that's the power button. So guys, look. So you see here, when they turn on the power button, can you see the lights? There is a light, right? So there is a light, guys. So when you turn on the power button, make sure you check this out, okay? To see if there is a light there.
Yes, the test button.
So that's the test button.
When you hear the voice, that means the equipment is in good condition.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Wow. So guys, it's very easy to use, okay? It's very, very easy to use. So you just see this is the power button. When you turn it on, you see the light, the red light from here, it indicates that this equipment is on. So it's very, very easy. So for newbies like us, we don't have problem using this machine, okay? So now I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Wow.
First, I'm going to cut one color of materials, and for the others, you can try yourself.
Oh,
I'll show
yeah!
you how to cut.
So hey guys, Aaron says first he's going to cut one kind of material for us, the newbies, to learn, and then later I'm going to do the cutting.
Yes.
So which material we begin with first?
First, the
PP?
PP, yeah.
Okay.
What do you think of the material?
Guys, look at this material. So it's a kind of plastic material, okay? It's a kind of plastic material. It's very, very thin. It's not thick, right? But very difficult to cut.
Yeah, you can try with the normal knife.
Oh, sure. Yeah. So let me try the normal knife. Okay, guys, look. So this is the material. Let me try. Guys, one more time. Guys, look. Here.
Yeah, Chetas is a bigger guy, and it looks spend a lot of energy to cut it.
So I spent a lot of energy and time just to cut this. Okay? I spent a lot of energy and time just to cut this. I'm already tired.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So I'll set it with this knife. And see what would be easy. Yeah, you touch this button, and you will hear the voice.
oh, when you touch the foot switch pedal, you hear the vibration on this knife. Okay, you can hear the vibration on this knife.
You can touch here the blade, you are feeling the vibration.
Oh,
You try.
when you touch the blade,
Now
you can feel the vibration. Wow, yeah, feel
you feel it?
yeah, wow.
Feeling the vibration.
Good. So when you touch the blade, feel the vibration, okay? So that tells you that everything is okay. So now,
No, I'm really.
so fast.
Yeah. It's.
Hey guys, it's so fast. It's so fast. And what I notice is that one thing I realize is that the cutting edge is very smooth. The cutting edge is very smooth. So that's an advantage of using this cutting machine, okay? Because cutting edge is very smooth and it's very fast. You don't need to spend a lot of. You don't need to spend
No,
energy.
yes, no, the fast, but also it's trimmed. It's trimmed.
Oh, it's well trimmed.
Well,
So it's also well trimmed, good looking, it's looking. Wow.
and then when I cut it, I only with a little force.
Yeah, just a little force of energy to do it. Yeah, so wow, that's really good. Hey, but come on. Also, this is not so thick. Try something different. Maybe it's good and not good material. So let's try something different to see if this cutter can cut materials. Okay?
You also try yourself.
I want to try.
You first you try the thing such as leather. Could be easy.
Oh!
Will be to try.
Hey guys, don't listen to him. So he says you're busy. So he doesn't give me something very difficult. He wants me to try something very easy. Let me try.
Yeah.
Okay. So hey guys, the first thing when you're machine, okay, the first you put your foot on the foot switch, okay. Don't forget to put your foot on the foot switch, and then the blade, okay. That's the blade. And now you press the foot switch pedal vibration, okay. So let's go.
And how you find it depends on the thickness of the materials.
Oh.
And the pressure. How much?
So you put, okay. Aaron says that because this rice, so it's not thick, right? So thin. So I didn't use any pressure force on it. So Aaron force the amount of force you, the amount of pressure on the material will the thickness or the depth of this material. Okay. Sometimes some materials are thin, so you just need to apply pressure. Can you see this? I did it. Come on.
Yeah.
I did it. So my job. So everyone, it's very okay. It's very see the cutting edge is very smooth. So the advantage of this cutting because it's fast and produce heat, and this heat just the material and cut easy. You need a lot of force, you don't need force to do it. So guys, if I can do it.
Yeah, great. Yeah, so the hard density materials. Yeah, such as.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
we've got high density material, silica. You know, this is a high density material, and like I said, it's dense and thick. So it's not gonna be easy for us to cut. You want to see how it's been done? Stay tuned.
No, it's too quick. I just try the normal knife.
Oh! Ah! I'm going to use this knife to.
Yeah.
Oh,
Harder than.
so guys, so this is, I'm trying to get this thing.
Let me try. No. Yeah, I see you spend lots of money.
Yeah, I'm so tough.
Only half inch to be. Only half.
Yeah. I don't need this knife anymore. Now let's see what we can do, okay? So what the cutting machine. Guys, just okay. So let me see the cutting machine can. I'm holding the cutting machine. It's handheld. It's convenient. You know, it's use and it's very comfortable. You know. So the first do my foot switch head. So I put my foot on, and then the knife.
Are you because I'm not sure China is to cut this color from the tip. Are you ready?
Of course.
Okay, you can try. You can and view the and then you can try more.
Newbies, first time cutting this kind of.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
okay. Guys, just watch. I put my foot on my foot switch pedal.
Control the pressure.
Then I have.
Oh, what? I cannot imagine. One time you.
Guys, the first time I'm doing it. Look, guys, can you see? The first time. Wow. I feel so old because I couldn't believe it. You know, I tried. Okay, I tried using the. I spent a lot of energy.
Yeah.
I didn't succeed. And then I used the cutter. And I succeeded. Guys, of course, I can do it. Do it. Okay? Don't forget, okay? So if I, you can do it. So this is just, this, it's user friendly, okay? It's used and it's easy to use. So everyone can use. You don't need to be a pro. You don't need to be. So you can do it.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yes.
Yeah.
Let's going to try something else. Hey.
Can you?
Guys,
This kind of.
This. Yeah, they're in the form of a. It's like a comb. Okay, it's a comb. For those of you who, you know what. So it's like a honeycomb. So difficulties cutting this before, you know, people is cutting this kind of technology. Develop now this equipment, and this equipment can material. So guys, okay, I'm having fun. I'm working. Can you imagine that? So this is good news. So you you have to position your. So ready, ready. Guys, come on, the best. Let's look very, very. Just look at it. So you guys can see it's gonna melt and clean. So this, I should recommend this to you.
Rest back in about 30 minutes, 15 minutes later.
So it was yeah, so guys, okay. Next time ask your friends to come and see friends to come and watch in post. They're going to learn just like you did. And it's going to learn how to use it. Be very, very helpful.
Yeah.
So I'm going to see
Yeah.
next time.
OK，下次再下。好。 before heavy duty machine. Ultrasonic do not emit smoke, and cause air contaminations, so it's an environment friendly processing method. Ultrasonic cutters can cut difficulty such as silicon, harder than the cut to be cut machine materials. The knife operates as a manual knife. Its classical operation principles. Blade, here's the blade, will create a massive sonic energy, which will soften and melt materials immediately. Because here the blade will vibrate, and when you touch it, only you feeling the vibration and not hot or warm, but it will soften and the materials immediately. Ultrasonic cutter is small in size and do not require large industrial areas. It's small in many operations. You see, guys, size is small and very easy to be hold. So I'm going to videos today. This is honeycomb paper, and this is the silicone, very hard, very high density. And this is the foam, and too much. And here is the laser. These materials is difficult to be cut with no knife. So we need to find suitable equipment to cut them easily. And before start on the equipment, I'm going to give a generation about the equipment. This is the generator. The generator will create or send ultrasonic energy to the blade. And then this cable connect to the energy, the generator, and this end to connect the transducer. And here's the cable. We call it full switch pattern. Full play center is the external controller. When we touch the switch full pattern, it will give the signal to the generator, and the generator sends the energy to the blade. And this is the power cable. Okay, I'm ready to start on the device. First, we just turn power on. Yeah, you hear the voice. That means the equipment is in good condition. And that's here. This is the test button. Yeah, that means it's okay, it's put to work. Yeah, this is the form. I'm going to cut the form. The form is soft, and don't forget to touch the full switch on the table. Okay, I'm ready to go. Very quickly and easily. You can imagine. Very, very easily and completely to use. The flash is hard, but also very simple. It's hard. If we cut it with the normal knife, let's try. What do you see? Yeah, of course you cut it. Not only that, in time you can cut it. You see? Okay, I'm using this magic knife to cut. First, don't forget to touch the full switch on the table. Your feet is feeling it. And what kind of these materials? These materials we call it silicone. Silicone is a new developing materials. It tests soft, also a bit of hard. Is very very hard. If you cut it with normal knife, let me show you. Yeah, you see, with a big pressure and a very high energy, stress, and it's not being cut. I only cut a very small and a small piece, but it's not to be cut too totally. So I'm going to cut it with this magic knife. First, don't. This is the silicone materials, and I cut it with the magic knife with a little force, and very easily and very comfortable to use. What color of this material? Can you imagine? Yeah, it has an edge, don't flash, and not smooth. Okay, and this is the material comes leather. For leather and other fabric like woven or other different kind of on the large scale equipment, some people modifies, and now I only show it with the table. First, we also let's normalize to cut. Yeah, it's to be cut, but you see here, the edge is not flush and not well trimmed, We can see the fabric fiber here, not trimmed, not trimmed. Now let's see how it look like with this measuring knife. Okay. The edge is smooth. It's very smooth.